Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Tor browser, you may notice that it asks whether you want to save passwords when you log into a website. Some users prefer saving passwords for convenience, while others disable this feature for better privacy. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to enable or disable the Ask to Save Passwords option in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser and then click on the triple line horizontal menu in the top right corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, under the Passwords section, you will find a toggle switch you will find a checkbox that says Ask to Save Passwords. If you check this one option, Tor browser will prompt you to save passwords whenever you log into a website. If you uncheck this option, Tor browser will stop asking to save passwords. Choose the option that best suits your privacy and convenience needs. That's it. Now Tor browser will either prompt you to save passwords or not, depending on your selection. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.